Welcome! If you're tired of Instagram's first posts and stories notifications popping up on your lock screen, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you a simple, step-by-step method to turn off those notifications for good, so you can enjoy a little more peace and privacy on your phone. Let's get started. First, unlock your phone and head straight to your device's settings. This is where you control all your apps and notifications, so it's the perfect place to begin. Next, scroll down and tap on Apps. This will show you a list of all the apps installed on your phone. Find Instagram in the list and tap on it. This will open up all the settings related to Instagram. Now, look for the option labeled Notifications. Go ahead and tap on it. Here you'll see all the different types of notifications Instagram can send you, from likes and comments to direct messages and more. Scroll through the list until you find first posts and stories under the Instagram section. This is the specific notification we want to manage. Tap on it to open the detailed notification settings. Once you're inside the first posts and stories settings, look for the option that says Lock Screen. Tap on it, and you'll see a few different choices. To stop these notifications from appearing on your lock screen, simply select Don't Show Notification, and that's it. You've just turned off Instagram's first posts and stories notifications from showing up on your lock screen. Now, you can check Instagram when you want, without those extra alerts interrupting your day. If you ever change your mind, you can always follow these steps again and turn the notifications back on. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech tips. See you in the next video.